quick pull.
Alright guys, today we are doing a new install. Don't mind this, trying to fix the lip right now.
I got a, I don't know if you guys can see that, hybrid racing short shifter. Full of hardware. Sheesh. Look at the quality, guys. Sheesh. Hybrid racing. I believe this is the launch edition. No, it's not the launch edition, but it is that number right there if y'all guys want to buy it for your 10 gen. This will give you a more shorter shift, more crispy shift, and driver's mod and God mode. You know what I'm saying. That we need to take out this whole center console off. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that remove installs of the center console, but I'm just gonna do a time lapse because just to save y'all guys time. Alright guys, we know we got my boy Gavin, and we just fastening this thing down, putting everything together, and I'll show you guys the after. Alright guys, so we got the short shifter on, check that out, and look how short it already is. Cheers! Look at that thing. Holy crap. And now we are gonna take it for a test drive just to see how it is. Alright guys, so I'm taking it out for a drive. A lot easier to ship. Like that downshift was seamless. Like, I wish you guys could feel this. It's kind of hard to explain how it feels, but everything feels a lot more tighter, a lot more stiffer. I do a little pull. Sheesh. It's kind of hard to drive, guys, with one hand, all right? But that's why I did a little baby pull. Downshifts are so easier to shift. Real quick pull. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time in the next one.